Good day, Miss Mel and classmate. I'm Lady Sarah Cadano and I am here to discuss the topic and the question, what is social marketing's unique value proposition? So first, let's discuss what is social marketing. It uses techniques to influence behavior for greater good, such as promoting health, safety, and environmental change. Imagine you're trying to convince your friends to eat more vegetables. You can tell them how healthy and good they are, but that might not be enough. It's about getting people to change their behavior for the good of the society. In March 2011, Nancy Lee, Mike Rothschild, and Bill Smith wrote a document to address two very narrow questions. First is, what does social marketing add to the understanding of social change developed by other disciplines? And what is social marketing's unique value proposition? So, social marketing enhances existing knowledge by focusing on how people actually make decisions and behave in everyday situations, rather than just relying on theory or assumptions. For example, in traditional campaign, it aimed to educate citizens about the importance of recycling, but with the help of social marketing. It also addressed barriers to participation such as the lack of facilities and awareness. They not just inform the people that recycling is important, but social marketing goes a step further by looking at real world behavior. They're making recycling convenient by providing accessible recycling bins in public spaces, offer rewards such as discounts or recognition for communities with the best recycling practices, and public education on how to properly segregate waste and the environmental benefits of recycling. Instead of simply giving information or making rules, it focuses on understanding why people behave the way they do and uses that understanding to encourage lasting, positive changes in behavior. Unique value proposition, social marketing's unique position in the marketplace of behavior change ideas is to integrate the shared and unique characteristics described above into a program of behavior change. It's not just about telling people what to do, but about creating strategies that remove barriers and increase the perceived benefits of positive behaviors. Also, social marketing is a process rooted in the belief that more than words or regulations are needed in order to succeed at influencing people's behavior. In social marketing, understanding and building upon the customer's perception are crucial to creating effective campaigns. Let's discuss self-interest first. Social marketing appeals to people's self-interest, focusing on what's in it for them. For example, encouraging people to quit smoking by emphasizing health and financial benefits. Barriers to behavior, on the other hand, is identifying the barriers that prevent people from adopting positive behaviors. The best example that I cited a while ago about addressing the lack of recycling bins and not just informing people about recycling process. Last would be the competitive forces that create attractive choices. So this refers to the other choices people have that compete with the desired behavior you want them to adopt. For example, fast food versus healthy eating. Fast food is often seen as quick, cheap, and convenient, making it an attractive option for many. Social marketing might counter this by promoting healthy eating as not only a healthier choice but also convenient, affordable, and tasty through easy to make recipes, meal prep ideas, or highlighting the long term healthy benefits. Another great example is car use versus public transportation. People may prefer using their car due to convenience, privacy, or speed. Social marketing might encourage using public transport by promoting its environmental benefits, offering discounts for frequent travelers, or showing how it can be cost effective and less stressful than driving. So, just to summarize, social marketing stands out in the field of behavior change by combining traditional ideas with some unique characteristics. It goes beyond simply using words or regulations to influence behavior, focusing instead of understanding how people think and make decisions. social marketers consider three key factors, which are self-interest, barriers to behavior, and identifying that prevent people from adapting the desired behavior and competitive forces. By focusing on these elements, social marketing develops strategies that reduce barriers to behavior change and increase the benefits that matter to the audience. The ultimate goal is to encourage lasting behavior change and inspire action. So, thank you for listening. I just have two questions for you, classmates. First is, can you please provide an example of an effective social media campaign, preferably in the Philippines, and what makes this campaign effective in achieving goals?